Hello guys, welcome to review video series of Honor 5X. In this video, I'll give you tips to improve the performance of the phone as well as battery life and also to save mobile internet data. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to add this widget on your home screen. So this is available right here on the widget section. Yes, this is the one. And here if you can see on the widget there are various options, one for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, this is for GPS, this is for auto sync and adaptive brightness. So this adaptive brightness needs to be in adaptive brightness mode, that is which is turned on, and make sure your auto sync is turned off. So use it when you really require. This is for GPS and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And when it comes to auto sync, this is totally configurable. To do this, go to settings, accounts, Google account, and if you see there, tap on your Google account, and if you see there are a lot of available apps which gets synced when you turn on auto sync. So I'll turn on auto sync, I'll go back. So there are many apps which is automatically trying to sync. So if you see, you don't need all these applications to sync when you turn on auto sync. So this will consume battery as well as internet data. So I usually retain, I need app data, calendar, contacts. I don't need sync drive, I need Gmail. I don't want fit data, Google Playbooks, newsstand, my tracks, and people details. So overall, just retain what you really want to sync. This conserves battery as well as improves performance. Next thing you need to do is to add this optimization button on your home screen. Again, this is available in widget section. It's right here. So the main advantage of this optimization button is once you tap on this, it will clear out the RAM space and improve the performance. So you need to do this periodically in order to improve the performance. The next thing is go to settings, network apps. So if you see network apps, by default all these items would be checked. That means so you are giving access for these apps to get internet from mobile as well as Wi-Fi. So for example, this application Adobe Acrobat is used for PDF reader, and I do not access any mobile internet. So I'll turn this off, mobile data as well as Wi-Fi. Do the same thing, go through each and every apps and make sure you provide internet access for only those apps which is really required. Next thing is go to account, protected apps. So here it will notify the power intensive apps. So you need to make sure those apps which consumes lot of battery needs to be turned off. Here you can also protect the app. So in protected app, you can see it will allow the apps to run even after the screen is turned off. So as of now, I choose none. So make sure you do the same thing in order to retain the battery life as well as performance. So just allow those apps which you really require to run on the background even when screen is turned off. The next thing is go to phone manager. And this phone manager application helps a lot in accelerating the phone. Just do this on regular basis in order to improve the performance. So it will automatically scan the running apps and it will provide the recommendation and suggestion in order to turn off resource consuming apps. Go to settings, keyboard. So here by default, if you see configure methods, so all keyboards will be turned on. So Most of the time you will be using only OIS swipe or Google keyboard, so just turn it on which you really use. So I don't need voice typing and also I don't need Google keyboard, so just one thing is enough. This will improve the performance. The next thing is Play Store. Go to Play Store, go to settings, so here make sure you turn off auto update. By default it would be auto update apps at any time, so you turn this off, do not auto update apps. So this will conserve battery as well as improve the performance, and mobile internet data will be saved. So these are the things which I am using in order to improve the performance of my phone. As of now I am not feeling lag or anything while using on my day-to-day basis. So that's it guys, this is the end of this video, and if you want to buy this phone I have given the direct link of the Flipkart and Amazon in the description below, and also I have given the link of the playlist where I have provided lot of Honor X review videos as well. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.